Some drugs work in seconds, while others take hours to kick in. But what does it really mean? In this video, we're breaking down two pharmacological concepts, the onset of action and the duration of action, by answering two simple questions. First, when does a drug start working? And the second is, how long does it keep working? First, the answer for when does a drug start working is known as the onset of action. The onset of action is how quickly a drug starts working after it's given. It mainly depends on first, the route of administration, IV, oral, or buccal. Second, the absorption rate, how fast the drug reaches the bloodstream. And third, the drug form, being liquid, solid, or semi-solid. A fast onset means the effect is almost seen immediately. For instance, the antianginal nitroglycerin given sublingually start working in less than 2 minutes, and so we say that it has a fast onset. Meanwhile, the NSAIDs ibuprofen, when taken orally, could take 30 to 45 minutes to start working, so we say that it has a slow onset. Now, according to the route of administration, a fast onset of action may be achieved by intravenous or sublingual routes, for instance, and a slower onset might be achieved by oral or transdermal routes of administration. The second question of how long does the drug keep working, answered by the duration of action. Now, the duration of action is how long the drug continues to exert its therapeutic effect. It mainly depends on first, how quickly the body metabolizes and eliminates the drug, second, the half-life of the drug, and third, the drug formulation, like extended release tablets tend to have a longer duration. Long duration reduces dosing frequency in compared to shorter duration, which require repeated doses. For example, the antihypertensive drug amlodipine has a long duration of action that covers 24 hours. Meanwhile, antianginal nitroglycerin may act for only 30 to 60 minutes depending on its form. Together, onset and duration of action help us understand how quickly a drug acts and how long its effect will last. Both are the key factors in choosing the right route for the right situation. Now that we put the pieces back together, we can agree that in emergencies we want a fast onset, while in chronic conditions we want long duration, reducing dosing frequency and improving compliance. Alright, now that we've covered the onset and the duration, let's see how much actually clicked. Here's a quick quiz to test your understanding. Question number 1. Nitroglycerin is used for angina when given sublingually. Why does it act fast? A, B, C, or D? Question number 2. Why might a drug with a longer duration of action be preferred for managing chronic conditions like hypertension? A, B, C, or D? If you learned something cool today, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more bite-sized medical lessons. Drop your answers and questions in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.